Successfully completing the to-do list is key to surviving the start of the fall semester. Review your to-do list on MyUCF to ensure there are not outstanding items listed. Your to-do list should be checked routinely in the event additional documents are requested. Respond to any requests on your to-do list within 5 to 10 business days. Failure to take action or late submission of documents will delay or prevent disbursement of aid. This includes items such as final high school transcripts to the UCF Undergraduate Admissions Office. Please note, processing time may take approximately 3 to 4 weeks. Submitting documents. Students can now scan and upload their financial aid documents to the Financial Aid Office. Please refer to our website for additional information. Students can also mail, fax, or drop documents off in person.